Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're probably going to be drilling out more spot welds. Be honest with you, that's probably all I'm going to do tonight. But I'd like to take a moment out to say thank you to everyone that subscribed. We've hit over 100 subscribers, and that's extremely exciting for me. Like I said before, I never thought I'd hit 50. Before that, I never thought I'd hit 10. So it really means a lot that people are wanting to see this get fixed. Hopefully good by me. Since, like I said before, I'm going to be doing mainly everything on it. Except for maybe the paint and primer and stuff. But like patching and probably sanding, Bondo or seam sealer, all that stuff. Engine, transmission, wiring, is all going to be done in here. So it pleases me to know that people are actually enjoying it and taking the journey with me. And it's really helpful when y'all give me suggestions on what to do with the bracing and all the other stuff. It really helps me because I really have no idea about how to do this stuff. I'm just kind of learning as I go. But just want to say thank you again to everyone that subscribed, and anyone that has watched the video. Thanks for watching. That helps too. But I'm going to be doing these every Monday, Wednesday, Friday until this gets done, and hopefully y'all to hang in there with me, get through these kind of mundane parts, as you know, undoing spot welds and stuff like that. Had to do that before we could put the new stuff in, so it needs to get done. Like I said before, I'm going to take y'all on everything I do to it. So hopefully every bolt and spot weld that I take off, you'll see me take it off. That's my plan, at least. I know content may get kind of flatline, trying to get something accomplished, but I mean we'll get there. And I think I said when I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to try to do a live stream. I think I might try to do it this week. I'll post something, a quick video or something, telling you when it's going to happen, what time, what day. But basically, it'll be a Q&A if you have any questions for me, any suggestions. I'll take you around the Bronco again and show you my shop a little bit better. As you can see, it's extremely dirty. I need to clean. But anyways, it'll be something along those lines. Yeah, thanks again, all y'all that stuck with me from the beginning, and all the new people that's coming along. There's gonna be a lot of videos over this Bronco, and hopefully we'll get to the one that I'm driving it out of here. But anyways, let's get to work and get a little bit done. I'm not sure how long I'll work out here tonight. It's already past midnight. I didn't have time to do a video this afternoon. I was too busy doing some other stuff. But I think after today, I'm going to try to do it like I was doing it when I get home from work. Spend a little time out here, do a little bit, and then, do it like that. Because it's a lot better for me mentally and physically. Because I was getting drained coming out here at, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Working on this for an hour or two, and then editing, uploading, and then getting to bed by 3 or 4, and getting up at 6:37. So it just helps me out more doing it during the day. But with that being said, I guess let's start drilling out more spot welds. I think we're going to focus on these tonight. Kind of get these drilled out a little bit more and popped up. And then we'll start on here getting these. I think have to look underneath. I'm not sure if these are spot welds. They look similar, but they're just kind of in a random pattern, which I believe, yeah. I think there's 3 here and 3 here. Maybe. Anyways, we'll work on these and get these done, and then see what kind of is still hanging around here. So you can see dirt daubers made a pretty big mess. So I'm probably gonna have to clean that out. This may be all right. It still feels pretty thick. Just need to clean it out and clean it up, mainly. Well, I don't feel any rust holes or anything. Worst part is this, I can't see it. This area out here is the worst part. But I think I'm gonna blow it out right quick. See what it looks like. That wasn't a very good idea. Got dust everywhere. But anyways, it looks pretty good. Like I said, worst part is this area. This back through here don't look too bad. Could use some cleanup, but I'm hoping once I clean this off, it'll be all right. It's awful rusty, but I mean it's sturdy. Like I thought it was too. I mean, it's a little bit more wobbly than this one, but this, you know, has that floor brace right there on it, or that mount for the body bolt. This doesn't have anything, and it's a little wobbly, but I mean, I kind of expect that because there's nothing under here holding it to the frame like this one. So this one's gonna be a lot more sturdier. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out. So we need to bend these back where they go. Do a little bit of grinding on these. I'm probably gonna drill out all these spot welds anyways, so I can plug weld from the bottom. I think that might be the best way to go. And I'm definitely buying a new one of these. I mean, I already showed you before, but see, it's rusted through here. So I'm gonna cut it up a little ways. See where my bend needs to be and bend it. Use my flange tool to get a good contact, you know, metal to metal, so I can get a good weld going across here all the way down. And then this just sets on top of it, and it'll have to be welded in here like this one. I'm pretty sure these are spot welds because the brace runs up over to here. And I think I'm gonna have to do something with these holes. They're awful, you know, wallered out pretty bad. And of course, I have to fix that hole, which I don't think these are standard to the Bronco. So I'll probably just cut this whole piece out. May lose that body line, but I plan on getting me a one of those consoles put between the seats, so it won't be too noticeable unless you look, you know, underneath. But yeah, I'm happy with how that looked. Thought it was gonna be a lot worse. I think we need to work on getting this off, making that piece there, getting it welded in, cleaning our braces off, and then we'll be ready to mark and cut that. Cut the pan. I think I'm gonna cut that bottom flange off so it sits like the original did. There's no kind of lip here. It just sits directly on these. And make my cuts over here, and probably push those pieces out to match where I cut here, and hopefully stitch weld it up and across, and then drill a hole in the new pan and drop a new bolt in. Like I said, I'm not going to replace the bushings just yet because I want it to all be how it is now when I do that side over there, because I want this side to be up higher and that side to be lower. I just like it all be kind of same. But after I get all the body put back together, I'll put new bushings and stuff in the mounts, because I got one right there. There's one, you can see it up there. And I think there's one back here in the back. Somewhere back here. Yeah. Don't know if you can see it, but right back there. I think that's all of them, so I have to get 6 of them. And this is worrying me. I need to get this taken care of. Starting to surface rust. The longer it sits here, it's probably me sweating on it. But anyways, we're gonna continue on this next time. I think I'm good for the day. I gotta get up early in the morning. Well, I think that'll do it for me this evening. It's getting pretty late, and I gotta get up and go to work in the morning. But pretty happy how that brace turned out. Wasn't expecting it to look that good. You can see there's dust everywhere in here. But yeah, like I said, I'll think about when to do the live stream. Actually figure out how to do it first. But if y'all have any suggestions on what time is good for y'all or anything like that, let me know. But I'll do a short video, let y'all know when it will be and what time and what day. But I'm gonna have this cleaned up before then, because this is embarrassing. And who knows, we may try to start the Healy on the live stream too. I need to get that cranked over, and we may try to turn the block and the Bronco over, make sure it's not rusted up yet. But I haven't took any of the bottom out of it yet, bottom end. So hopefully there's enough lubricant still in there that it will crank. The only thing I'm worried about is the pistons being rusted to the cylinder walls. But we'll try to maybe break that over. But yeah, we'll continue on with Bronco. But like I said before, just want to thank you for watching, tuning in, even though we're not doing any kind of exciting stuff, just removing metal the best way I know how, and slowly getting there. But my goal is still by October to have this whole side kind of done, at least the floors in and the kick panel. I like to have the door post on it too, but we'll try to get the floors in at least. And I'm gonna try to take it to a show or two, kind of put out what I'm doing to it and everything else, see what kind of response I get. Not expecting to win anything, but just be nice to go to a car show this year if they even have them. But anyways, thanks for watching, and like I said, I'll do a short video when the live stream is going to be, and we'll have some fun talking, walking around, maybe starting the Healy and who knows what. But anyways, thanks for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and well, like I said, continue on that, and I'll see you on the next.